Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the most wretched of them all?
We the best music. Another one. DJ.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls, and today we are here to slay some Brazilian curly hair sent to me by Nadula hair, you guys. I am so excited. We finna slay this hair, hunty, slay this hair. Y'all don't see this ratchet hole up in this wig cap. You don't see it, girl. You do not see it. But you just want to get a wig cap that is close to your skin tone, scalp tone. You want to throw that wig on, baby. This is a unit that I created with this fabulous curly hair. And I'm just placing my wig, making sure it fits right, fits tight, looks nice. I'm loving this hair so far, y'all, though. This is some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful curls. So I'm just going to start out by combing this out. I just kind of want to see what it looks like a little fluffed out. Make sure it will go back to its curl pattern, you know, just kind of playing around with it. Okay, so I'm definitely liking the fluffed out look, but I am going to define these curls. So I'm going to grab my spray bottle. This is only water, you guys.
And they will never love you like I see us doing great. We're engaged, posting pictures, looking good. You're taking me on shopping sprees, telling me I'm your
So y'all can clearly see the difference when you spray it with just water, but I am not done. I'm going to go ahead and spray that other side, and then I am going to add some conditioner to this, you guys. So I'm just using what I have. I love the smell of this Tresemme conditioner, and I'm just going thoroughly throughout my entire unit just to lock in that definition of those curls and to make my hair smell lovely.
They will never care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do.
So I'm just going to go back in with my brush to make sure I can evenly distribute that product throughout my hair, as well as keep down on tangling. So I'm detangling my hair to avoid tangling.
How many times will it take for you to realize that I'm your right? They just want my spot.
Honey, do you see those curls coming through? They are just beautiful. It's not too full. It's just, ugh. So you want to go ahead and give it time to dry. And here is my finished product, y'all.
And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting up, finally pick up. You missing my loving and craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over, then I just hang up. Hey, cause I'm on my way. Telling you I'm on my way. Yeah, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. Won't love you, won't touch you, won't put it down like I do. No. Yeah. They don't love you like I do.
Alright, you guys, so here is my finished product. Now this is Amazon Nadula hair. Now I did get a 10-inch lace closure with a 10, 12 and 14-inch Brazilian curly bundle. So guys, I just want to tell y'all, like, this hair is so freaking soft, and it detangles so beautifully. Like, I was really impressed, you guys. Now I have not co-washed this hair. I have not washed this hair. I have not done anything. All I did was make the unit, spray it down with a little bit of water, and put some conditioner on it. So that's how I got these defined, beautiful, soft, weightless curls. They are so freaking pretty. Like, I'm loving this look. Like, it's hot right now. This is short. It's not hot. It's not heavy. Even though it's kind of big, but it's not really that big because I love some big hair, y'all. So it could be bigger. It could be bigger. But this will do. It is really nice, you guys. So soft. So, like, cool on my shoulders. Like, it's not heavy. It's not hot. It's just really nice. I'm really liking this. I'm running my hands through this hair, and it's just beautiful. But I will say I am getting a little bit of shedding. Now that may be due to how I constructed the unit as well, because I did cut some of the tracks. So I am going to get a little bit of shedding from that, but I am experiencing slight shedding. Not excessive, very slight. but I am not experiencing any tangling whatsoever. So far I am very impressed with that. I am loving this hair, you guys. Like, I've seen so many reviews on YouTube and I have to join them, y'all. Like, I'm really liking this hair. The only thing I wish I would have gotten a frontal, but at the time all they had was a closure, so I kind of finessed my baby hairs, you know, a little bit to look like a frontal, you know. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, that's all me. That is all me, girl. So I did kind of finesse it that way to kind of get the frontal look, because I'm just a fan of frontals. But you know, the lace closure will do, no biggie. As long as I can get the look, then that's fine with me. So you can part the closure on the sides or wherever you want to part it. It is a free part closure, so you can do that. If you like bleach knots, then you will have to bleach the knots on this closure. I'm not going to bleach the knots. If anything, I'm going to just wear it like this, which is not really a big deal. I don't think you'll really be able to see my knots like that, so I'm not gonna worry about it. But if necessary, I will add foundation underneath the lace closure to camouflage the knots. So I'm not gonna bleach this hair. I don't even want to. Like, I don't want to chance it, so I'm just gonna make it work. And so as you saw, I do have a stocking cap, a flesh colored stocking cap underneath my head to kind of help conceal that this is a wig, and I have cornrows underneath this wig. I did construct this unit on a dome cap. It is perfect size, snugging my head. I don't need anything to hold this wig down. Like, it is good. Like, it's literally perfect size. So really liking this hair, you guys. Like, I'm all thumbs up right now. Like, I would definitely recommend this hair initially. So if you guys are interested in this company and in their hair, I will leave all of their information down below. Make sure you check them out. They do have an Instagram, so make sure you follow them. I will leave that down below as well. And if you are not already subscribed, girl, what are you doing? Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your bell for your notifications so you do know when I upload. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next one.